Hi everyone, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood channel. I'm Amanda Blanks and I'm so excited to be back on the channel after everything's opened back up again and we are outside. It's a beautiful day. It is not 1,000 degrees. It's a little bit windy, so I apologize. I hope you can still hear me. We have an amazing shoe to review and you are absolutely going to love this one. This is from Pleaser. It is a Delight 695. High heel in black and red. It's a 6-inch heel and just wait until you see this gorgeous, gorgeous heel. They all come individually packaged, which is, I just think that little bit extra, a bit nicer. I love! And look at that red and black fade. It's all shiny, so it'll definitely pick up the lights. And you have the nice platform at the front, which really helps if you're wearing them for a while, or it gives you that little bit of extra stability. The bottom is a nice rigid surface, so it's going to give you a lot of grip. I'm doing a size 7, which is my normal size. It gives you a little bit more space for someone with a slightly wider foot. So I'm not super narrow foot, but a little bit wider, and I love these. They're very comfortable. And you'll also notice here, if we come up close, there's that little bit of extra stretch. So depending on the size of your foot, it's really going to fit around you no matter what size you are. We have 4 buckles here that are adjustable, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. And again, they're a little bit of a stretch as well. And then the bottom is nice and squishy, so your feet are going to feel amazing while you're wearing them. I love this shoe, and I love the little closed-in toe. It makes your feet look really petite. Yeah, okay, so that's one of them. Let's get the other one out. Again, really nicely packaged and individually wrapped, which Pleaser does a really great job of. Okay, and I've also got the 2 bottom straps still done up. You don't actually have to undo them every time you want to slide your foot in, which is really good if you're just wanting to slip them on and not take a lot of time. Oh my god, that's the wrong foot. Okay, so we'll do these up. I'm gonna go the 3rd hole, just because I like them a bit tighter around my ankle. Actually, this is the 4th hole. And this bit also is adjustable through there, so you can make sure it's always in the center of your foot. This is a 6-inch heel as well, which is just beautiful. It's that really, really elegant height. It'll elongate your leg, make you look taller, make you look slimmer, which is always a good trait. Okay, and the other side. Actually, I've done the 4th hole, so I like that. Some people like it a bit looser. I have a skinny ankle, so I like it nice and tight around my ankle. Maybe I've done it too tight, who knows, but we'll give it a go. So yeah, these are the Delight 695 from Pleaser. They feel really good. I feel super supported and they're really, really comfortable. Definitely a shoe I could wear all day, and the black and red is so in right now. So let's take a walk. We're going to go into the sunlight so you can see what they look like. Yeah, these are really easy to walk in, especially with that platform at the front. It makes it really sturdy, and having the closed toe, you don't really slide at all, you're just sort of kept in the shoe. And in my business outfit, so you could even wear these to work if you wanted. They are so cute. Loving this. Let me know what everyone's been up to as well while we've had all this closed down business going on. We have had a great time. We've got a bunch of shoes ready to show you all, so please be excited about that. Stay tuned on the channel. We cannot wait to show you all the new stock we have in. Alright, I'm gonna have a walk back. I actually find these platform at the front shoes easier to walk in than the single sole, just because it gives you that bit of extra stability. How did you like that, guys? Please let me know, and make sure you click like and subscribe on the channel so you get to see all the videos we have. We have a lot coming up and I'm super excited to be back here and sharing it all with you. This was a gorgeous shoe to do a review of, and remember, it's the Delight 695 from Pleaser at Shoes of Hollywood. And you don't even have to unbuckle them all the way to take it off. You can just do the top two. I feel like I should have done red nails to match the shoes, but I didn't know I was doing all the red ones. Shoes of Hollywood should have told me this. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Amanda from Shoes of Hollywood. We'll see you next time.